Hello, I've seen a lot of people confused about how to have multiple buttons in the UI in Hytale and how to detect which button was clicked when you've got multiple buttons. So I just thought I'd make a quick video showing you how to do that. So if we go over to my UI file, it's pretty simple. I've basically just got two text buttons here. One's called button 1, the other one's called button 2. And then if I go into Hytale, then if I open my UI, I've got these two buttons. I can click one, it says clicked button 1. If I click the other, it says clicked button 2. So this is my Java code for my UI. I'm using activating. That's the event that's called when you click on something. It is a bit of a confusing name. It'd be better if it was like called left click or something, but oh well. And then basically what we're doing is we're setting this field in the binding data to either button 1 or button 2. And then in the handle event, if it's equal to button 1, then we print out clicked button 1. If it's equal to button 2, then we print out clicked button 2. Now, if it wasn't a button click, like if you had some other event and like, the text button input, text input, and there was text being changed, that could mean the clicked button is null. So you do need to be aware of that, and that's why I'm using button 1 dot equals the clicked button instead of clicked button dot equals button 1. So right up here, we're basically saying that when you click button 1, we'll set the clicked button event data to button 1, and when you click button 2, we'll set it to button 2. And then down here in the codec, we're mapping the clicked button event data to the clicked button field. So this is the setter, and then this is the getter over here. And that's really all you have to do for multiple buttons. It's quite simple once you know what to do. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If it did, remember to subscribe.